Hello everyone, and welcome to my review of Conrad Camber. Now, Conrad Camber is a next generation racer who races for the Shiny Wax team in the Piston Cup Racing Series, bearing number 82. He replaces Darren Ledford at the beginning of the 2017 racing season. So, let's have a look at him. So, as you can see, he's got this very nice green, which is my favourite next gen. He's up there. Very nice green, fading into a black. He is my favourite next gen, you know. I guess I've got gold and yellow. Oh my gosh, shiny wax on the spoiler. 2 window bars, whilst the majority of our races are 3. Black rims, black light year tyres, green 82. See, listen, I know I sound like a broken record, but he is my favourite next gen, you know. Ooh, gold star, always good. I love to see it, yeah.